Hey everyone, welcome back to our home. And today we're taking a look at these Tribesigns shelves. They're 5-tier shelves, and my wife got them because she's doing some collecting of some Disney memorabilia and she wants it displayed nicely. And these shelves worked out perfectly. Let's take a bit of a closer look. These shelves stand about 62 inches tall, so they work out perfectly in a smaller room. They're 5 tiers and you have about 14 inches in between each shelf. They're really easy to put together. The side bars come in 2 separate pieces and you just have to attach those 2 together, and then you put the 5 shelves in between the 2 completed sidebars. In all, it's about 30 something screws you have to screw in, but it's nothing that hard. And then you put the braces across the back and that locks them into place, and then they're very sturdy. Now there is a mounting kit that comes that you can mount this to the wall for, but all we did was tilt them slightly back with the adjustable feet and they work out perfectly where they don't move around. Now as you can see right here, the shelf extends a little bit over the side rail, so that gives you plenty of room to make sure that you have enough space here for your collectibles or other items that you're going to put on there. They have a nice clean design and they look good when they're finished and put all together. But what you want to know is, would I recommend these shelves or would I buy them again? Yeah, I would absolutely recommend these. We bought Tribesign products before and they work out great. They're easy to put together, they're really good quality, and they tend to stand up for the test of time. We like these shelves because they have the weight capacity that works well for the collectibles. They have a lot of space so we can stack things on top of each other, and the height works out perfectly in this room. So as always, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.